Question 7. There are 960 students at a high school. Using stratified sampling, 240 students from the whole school are to be chosen for a survey. If there are 200 students in Year 12, how many Year 12 students should be chosen? We need to work out what fraction of the whole school are Year 12 students. Now, if we go back to the question, the first line tells us how many students there are in total, and there are 960 students, of which 200 of those students are in Year 12. So the fraction of the whole school that are Year 12 students is 200 over 960, which simplifies to 5 over 24. So 5/24 of the entire school are Year 12 students. So it stands to reason that 5/12 of the sample, so 5/12 of the 240 students that are going to get chosen, should also be Year 12 students, so that the Year 12 cohort is fairly represented. So the size of the sample is 5/24 of 240, which is 50 students. So 50 students out of the 240 students should be chosen to be part of this sample. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.